welcome to the world of vectors. Using geometric graphic and simple animation, we shall understand why cross product is not the same as dot product. Vector multiplication is non-commutative. That is, vector I into vector j is not the same as vector j into vector I. In fact, I into j is equal to minus j into I. Let us visualize it through geometric analogy. X dash OX is the x-axis. Y O Y dash is the y-axis. We have drawn two vectors. For convenience, one vector line is in red and we call it R. The other vector line is in blue and we call it B. That is, R for red, B for blue. Note that both are positive. They are to the right side of origin and above the origin, both signifying positive directions. So, the vector product or cross product is equal to plus BR. Now, let us rotate the vectors and see what happens. By rotation through 90 degrees, we can bring the red vector line along the x-axis and the blue vector line along the y-axis. At first we will rotate clockwise and then counterclockwise. See the vectors rotate clockwise by a right angle. Now, red line vector R is along the x-axis but on the positive side. So, it is plus R. The blue line vector B is along the y-axis but in the negative direction. So, it is minus B. So the product is plus R into minus B, that is, minus RB. Next, let the vectors rotate in the opposite direction. See the vectors spin by 90 degrees in the anticlockwise direction. Blue line vector B is along y-axis and it is in the positive direction. So it is plus B. But the red line vector R is along the x-axis but in the negative direction to the left of origin. So it is minus R. So the cross product is minus R into plus B equal to minus RB. This is the reason in cross product x into y is minus y into x. Thus, it is non-commutative. For convenience, we had used R and B for red line vector and blue line vector. Using the standard notation I and J for vectors along x-axis and y-axis, we get I into J is equal to minus J into I. In mathematics, 5 into 3 is equal to 3 into 5, the commutative law for multiplication. But they are scalar quantities, that is, dot product, and not cross product. In vectors, m into n is not equal to n into m, that is, vector product or cross product is non-commutative. Although for children's convenience, we write 5 cross 3 is equal to 3 cross 5, it's incorrect. According to higher math notation, we must write 5.3 is equal to 3.5.
Was that interesting? If you have any other method, we would love to learn from you. We shall come back with more interesting videos. Like, share the videos, and subscribe to our channel if you are a math lover. Till then, goodbye.